Hello everyone. Are you ready to start learning a new language on Duolingo? Today, let's get started. Open the Duolingo app and log into your account if you haven't already. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then go to Settings. Here you will need to scroll down until you find the option to add a new language. Tap Add a new language and select the language you want to learn from the list. Once the language is added, you can immediately start your first lesson. Duolingo will tailor the lessons to your current skill level. And there you have it. That is how to start a new language on Duolingo. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.